first. This is definitely the most niche product that I've ever reviewed. And let us open this up. Yo, they have these things on offset. Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Big E, and today we got a new company alert, guys. That is right. It's been a long time, but we got a new company alert. D, play some sirens for me or something like that. An explosion, a bomb, something. All right, guys, so we are bringing a new company alert on, and Bob is about to do his damn job because Bob knows with the product we're reviewing today, there's a very good chance that if he does not do his intro right now, his ass is gonna get knocked out, and you guys are about to see exactly what I mean. So Bob, do your damn thing, bro. Do your damn thing. Alright guys, so we are back, and listen man, today we got kind of a crazy product, man. Like, dare I say, this is like one of the craziest products I've probably reviewed on the channel. Definitely a very niche product, that's for sure. This is definitely the most niche product that I've ever reviewed. And you guys definitely are not going to see this one coming. But listen guys, so long story short, company hit me up and they were like, yo, E, they showed me a product. And at first I was like, whoa, that thing looks familiar, man. Why the hell is this looking so familiar? Long story short, it was the piece that Max designed. These guys, the Knuckles. The Knuckles. Oh my God, Bob just fell on the floor. Bob just passed out. It was the Knuckles, guys. It was diamond Knuckles, if you guys can see behind me. And I was like, yo, that's crazy. Like, yo, are you making Max's actual design here? Like, is that what this is? And it turns out, guys, that these Knuckles are beautiful, but they're made of silver and moissanite. And that interested me because at the end of the day, those Knuckles that Max designed were one of my favorite designs that I have ever seen. But at the same time, guys, they're $30,000, right? So at the end of the day, if you're balling like that and you got 30K to spend on some Knuckles, God bless you. But a lot of the common folk do not have 30K, so there's where this company comes into play. Damn, that rhymed, I'm good. And guys, they made these beautiful ass Knuckles, man, out of 925 and VVS Moissanite. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking. If you guys haven't noticed already, the sign behind me says Diamond Knuckles, so maybe some of you figured this out already, and maybe I'm not being as sneaky as I thought I was. Anyway, guys, without further ado, we are about to do the first unboxing, or rather unbagging, that I've done on the channel in a very long time, and none other today. And guys, for you guys that have been watching the channel for mad long, you guys remember this, right? I haven't brought her out in a long time. But today, guys, with the fan of brass knuckles that I already am, and you guys remember this is my favorite knife of all time, even though I don't want to just disrespect my Big E the Jeweler custom made knife. This thing, guys, it's on another level. So without further ado, let's tear into this thing and let's see what these things look like, because I, for once, guys, did not open them. I haven't seen these things yet, so let's go. All right, so we're gonna dig in right here. Oh, hang on a sec, guys. I'm not trying to chop a finger off. Bang. All right, guys. So here we go. What the hell is this right here? Hold on. Oh, this looks like we got a ring sizer right here, guys. We got a nice little ring sizer in here. Let's file that to the side. Let's throw Mr. Bag away. And here we go, guys. Here we go. So we got the Diamond Knuckle box right here. Diamond Knuckle box. And let's get this puppy open, guys. So let's see what we're greeted with here. We got the Diamond Knuckles Certificate of Authenticity right over here. Bang. And then we got this like chromatic logo over here on the side. So we know that we got that authenticity. Now we're greeted with a care and warranty booklet, guys. I'm not going to read you this entire thing. Let's file this to the side. And guys, this is what we've been waiting for right here. So without further ado, oh, we got this dope ass fist right here. We got this dope ass fist. We got this like punch right here, which I'm feeling. So without further ado, guys, let's open. You know what? Let me file her to the side. Miss Knuckle Box over here. Pause. And let us open this up. Yo, guys. Yo. These things are crazy, guys. So number one, let's look at the branding on the inside of this box right here. And we got that diamond knuckle branding over here. And yo, guys, look at these right here, guys. Yo. And we got the stones on the side too, guys. Yo. All right, guys, it's the moment of truth. They sized these up for me, guys. And yo, guys, bang, yo, these things are dangerous, man. These things right here are dangerous. Like if you ever wanted to knock somebody out in luxury, guys, if you ever had such a beef with somebody that you were like, yo, I don't want to knock them out, but I want to knock them out and do it like, and eat some Grey Poupon after I do it. This is how that happens right here. But guys, these things are crazy, man. And yo, let's take a look right over here. So you got the diamond knuckles underneath right here. You have the branding over here. And guys, yo, these are crazy. Now, best believe, guys, we're going to be diamond testing this. So we got to see if these stones are official. But the setting right here looks super tight. I mean, we got all different stones here. Obviously, guys, this is not a mosaic setting, but it almost looks like one because you have these bigger stones right here up top. And then you got the smaller stones underneath, guys. And yo, these stones up here, man, these are like the knuckles of death. These are like the knuckles of death. But yo, the question is are these comfortable, man? Hold on, let me pick up my phone. Let me pick up my phone a sec. Hang on a sec. Yo. Yeah, it's comfortable, guys. Hold on, let me drink my coffee. Let's do it. We're doing a comfort test right now, guys. Yo, honestly, this kind of makes you look like you're doing everything in style, yo. Like even drinking my coffee, man. Like, look at that. Where's Bob at? Oh, Bob fell. Let's bring Joe out, guys. Let's hold Joe. Even holding Joe, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Everything is in style, man. And listen, the cool thing about this piece, guys, is that at the end of the day, nobody's going to have this, right? I mean, listen. Shout out to Max, because Max is the one that designed this, period, end of story. And just so you guys know, before I even reviewed this, I called Max. I told Max that I was going to review this. I told him, because that's just what I do, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to go out there and review something that somebody else designed without calling them, especially when I publicly say that Max is fan, which he is. So shout out to you, Max. And Max had zero issue with it. He was like, yo, E, do your thing. Max ain't worried about it. You know what I'm saying? His knuckles are in a different class. They're $30,000. They're solid gold with diamonds all over them, and they are absolutely beautiful. But nonetheless, guys, with every great design, you know what I'm saying? There is an affordable version. You know what I'm saying? They make Ferraris and they make Camrys. You know what I'm saying? There's Chrome Hearts, and then there's a ton of people that make Chrome Hearts-esque looking things because, you know what I'm saying? People can't afford to spend like $1,100 on a Chrome Heart Ziploc bag or something like that. You know what I'm saying? And that's kind of where it's at. You know what I'm saying? Like that, like, you know, brands like that, they have that and they earn that. You know what I'm saying? The same way when Trax designed these things, he earns that. He has the right to sell those things for $30K because he put his time in. And I'm sure as hell sure somebody probably bought those things off him already because they're crazy. But yo, guys, these things are beautiful, man. And honestly, the thing I was worried about most is like, yo, how do I rock this every day, right? How am I going to rock it every single day? Is it going to be uncomfortable? Like, can you move your fingers around freely? Obviously, guys, you see that I can. Like, there's no issue. But that's what I was thinking. Like, you know, what if I need a, you know, actually, I'm not even going to talk about things you can do with your hand. That's a major pause, right? Yo, D, yo, that's a major pause.
I'm going to stop you right there. I'm just going to stop you right there.
But on the real though, guys, like what can you do with these? And I was worried about that, but these things are comfortable. You know what, guys? Let me switch it up. Let me take off my beautiful ice giant ring that you guys saw me review the other day. And let's put these on the other hand now. And yeah, guys, yo, this is a switch hitter right here. Major pause. Major pause, E. Major pause, dog. Guys, these things are beautiful, man. These are beautiful. I believe they retail for $2,600, guys. I'm going to put the link in my description. And guys, I've been looking at their social media, man. You know what I'm saying? I just started following the company. They have these things on Offset. They have these things on all the bare knuckle FC fighters. They're doing a hell of a job over there with whatever they're doing, promoting these things. And people, if you look at the bare knuckles IG, man, people are really loving these things, man. And yo, I mean, this is my pair to keep, guys. And you best believe your boy E is going to be rocking these. And then on top of it, if I ever really have some shit go down, which I'm not making any threats to anybody, but if I ever really have some shit going down and I go like this, yo, we war ready right here, guys. We are war ready. All right, let me put this away and let me calm my ass down a second before I get myself demonetized.
You just look right in here, look in there, and you see that you're doing too much.
All right, guys, so listen, let's pull out the trusty diamond tester right now. All right, guys, we are back, and little Beep was hiding out on a shelf somewhere. I got a feeling Bob put her there to fuck with your boy, and it's not funny, and that's why Bob's ass is on the floor right now, but we are warming her up right now, and guys, this is like the moment of truth right here, because these things can be as amazing as they want, but if these stones ain't hitting, guys, it's a wrap. So let's see what's going on with these. So here we go, guys. Now let us see if these things are hitting. Let me make sure I got it in frame. Hang on. Bang. There we go, guys. Bang. 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 Let's get a little stone, guys. Oh, hang on. Bang. Oh shit, I don't got it in frame for you guys. Hang on. Bang. Yo guys, not only are these stones hitting, but these stones are hitting hard. The same way I would hit somebody with these things on my hand. But yo guys, these things are fresh to death, man. These things are absolutely fresh to death. And I love the design, man. These are a little bit different than the ones that Max designed, because Max, you got the 4 big stones right here, and on these joints, you got the stones on the side. So just in case you ever want to bop somebody in the head, or maybe pop open a package, or maybe pop, I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Pause. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead right there. But you guys know what I mean. And by the way, disclaimer, D put this up on the screen. In no way, shape, or form am I promoting violence with these knuckles. These are jewelry only. This is not to beat somebody up. This is not to hurt somebody. So let's put a disclaimer up on the screen. This is jewelry only, guys. This is not meant to go to the gym and do 4 rounds and fucking punch somebody in the face or do anything like that. I'm just being Biggie and I'm talking my shit. So we got to make sure we understand that. We only promote peace on this channel. Peace and prosperity and love and meditation and ASMR and all that kind of stuff. All right, guys, so yo, oh, you know what, guys? We didn't weigh them. Hang on a sec, guys. We need to weigh these joints. All right, so guys, it's time for the biggie guess right here. Hold up. Let me get little Bertha up on the screen over here, and hopefully little Bertha ain't playing no fucking games with me today. All right, guys, so we are zeroed out, as you guys can see. All right, so my guess on these things, guys, my guess, 128 grams. I'm going to say 128 grams. Let's see. 119, yo, 119.2. Yo, that was a good guess, guys. That was a good guess. And obviously my phone is going off right now. Hang on a sec, guys. That's actually D texting me right now. I'm going to have to hit D back. But guys, these things are official, man. These things are official. I'm loving these fucking knuckles right here, guys. I'm definitely going to be rocking these joints, guys. And just look at that, man. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let me show you guys here too. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful on hand right here, man. These things are next level. Absolutely beautiful, guys. We got that top down right there, what these knuckles look like. You got them points coming out at you. Just fire, guys. Fire right here. All All right, guys, so let's take a moment for a quick message from my lovely, wonderful sponsor, OneBone. All right, guys, OneBone has sizes medium all the way up to sizes 8XL. They have shirts, hats, tees, shorts, jackets, hats, you name it. Make sure you go and click the link in my description for my OneBone ambassador page, and make sure that when you are purchasing, you use the code BIGE15 for 15% off your first order. Now let's get back to the review. Let's rate these things and wrap it up. All right, guys, and we are back, and man, guys, these things are fire, man. And listen, they're going to be doing a lot of drops, guys. It's not only this pair. This is their launch right here. This is their launch. There's 100 pieces of these made. 100 pieces of these things made, guys, and then they are gone and they are moving on to the next design. So 100 pieces right here. And guys, you best believe I'm going to be reviewing the next drop and the drop after that and the drop after that and the drop after that. So guys, for the dope or nope verdict, the Diamond Knuckles from Diamond Knuckles, actually no, the silver and Moissanite Diamond Knuckles from Diamond Knuckles gets a... And congratulations, Diamond Knuckles. You guys are certified dope. Welcome to the channel. Guys, let me know what you think about this one. Let me know if you're itching to cop a pair of these. Let me know if it's not your steez. Let me know if you have any questions about them. Let me know whatever, guys. Let me know whatever you want. Ask me any questions you want. You know, ask me about my day or what the weather's like in New York, and I'll tell you ahead of time, there's like 8 feet of snow and it's miserable. But guys, do all the YouTube stuff, press all the buttons, leave a thanks, leave a hype, do your boy E a solid. I appreciate you all as always, and this has been the review of the Diamond Knuckles Silver and Moissanite Knuckles, and this has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.